yawn. Okay, in the morning you want to do this. You want to inhale, breathe out. Inhale, stretch up, breathe out. Do the arms to the side, and you can do arm circles like this. Sorry, I'm so far away, but arm circles like this, both directions. And then you can stretch over. And do the circles some more. You can even do bigger circles. The whole point of this is to loosen up the upper extremities, the shoulders, the arms, the neck. You can even do the neck to the side like this. And it really helps to relax and warm up the neck and get the blood flowing. But that's really important to do that every morning. You can do the yawning between each time. So you stretch up, doing deep breathing, yawn, go one side, other side, yawn, circles, yawn, other direction, yawn. This is just really going to help you to associate movement, breathing, circulation, which is all going to tie in to better vision.